Alright, so I was walking down here like I normally do, and I hear nothing coming from this button again. That tells me that this speaker is dead once again. Or the speaker's very broken. Yep, the speaker's broken. The speaker's broken again. Lovely. That's the second time in only a few weeks the speaker's been working, and now it's broken again. What are the chances? Listen to the rumble, though. This thing constantly this one constantly just vibrates now instead of stopping halfway through. Yeah, there's something seriously wrong with this button. The only reason it was working the last time is the electronic spasm managed to make this work. But it only lasted about a couple of weeks. Like, a couple weeks. It lasted only a month. Like, it lasted about a month and a half, and then it broke.
Wait. Traveling south.
This one over here works fine. Still works like a legend.
Wait. What side is on?
Skip 31. I'm gonna go this way. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Another epic fail at the very infamous desert crosswalk button.